art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Cloudboy from Poppy Playtime, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's draw in the shape of the head. So right in the center we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. We'll step out on both sides, arching that around, tucking that back in on the side. Now from that point on the left we're going to curve this out, flattening that out, pulling that into the middle, and then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now in the center, we're going to draw in an arch line right in the middle. Let's come up. On the left, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the top left, let's draw in a circle for the highlight, replicating that on the right eye. Let's come down on a diagonal, drawing in our second highlight, making this one smaller. And then now from here, let's just color in the eye black. Let's round out the cheeks. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, pulling that in, replicating that on the right. We're going to add a small eyebrow up above, curving that line in. Let's come down from the center. We're going to draw in two diagonal lines. For the collar, we're going to curve this up on both sides. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to round this out, curving this out. Now from here, right in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then from here, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. Now from the bottom, we're going to round this out, curving this over and in on the top, connecting it to that line. Let's step in, rounding that out, curving that through. Now from here, moving up, arching that down for the shoe. Again, we're going to move up, curving that over and in. In the center, let's draw in a straight line. Let's come across on either side, curving that up to the top. Again, let's step out, replicating that. Now let's frame in the arms. So coming over, we're going to curve this line out on either side. And then we're going to curve this line over, pulling that back in. Now let's come up, lining that up at the same height, arching that back in again. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line across. And then stepping up, let's replicate that one more time. Let's come underneath for the hand. We're going to curve that in. Now from here, let's round that out, curving that over, down and through. In the center, curving this out, down and in. And then one last time, tucking that up, down and through towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Cloudboy from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.